Well, this question will have various answers depending the brand of your watch and the recommendation of the brand, because every brand developed their own movement, and depending on the movements and the conception, they will sometimes need more or less lubrication. For instance, as watchmakers, when we are dealing with several brands, we have to adjust the way we are working, sometimes by lubricating a movement with a very light amount of lubricant, and with specific lubricant also, and sometimes for other brands, other movements, they need a big amount of lubricant to work properly. So it will really depend on the watch you own and the recommendation of the brand. In general, we can say that it varies between 3 to 10 years. Aside from this, there are two schools of thought. The first one is to say, okay, we will follow the recommendation of the brand. The brand says my watch has to be serviced every 3 years. I will service it every 3 years, and normally if you do everything properly, the watch will run perfectly for a lifetime. Then there is the second school, which says as long as the accuracy of the watch satisfies you, as long as the autonomy of the watch is good enough for you, as long as the watch is water resistant and you can enjoy every activity with your watch, just keep the watch on your wrist and enjoy it. I have to admit that I am more of the second school. The majority of the brands, when you do a service, they offer you a package for the service, and the service includes so many things that if you service it when the elements have to be changed or not, it's the same for the customer. So if you can enjoy your watch for a longer time, I would say, yeah, if the accuracy, if everything satisfies you, just keep the watch. And when it's not good for your type of use, you just bring us the watch and we will take care of it. For instance, if I take my own experience on Rolex watches, a service includes servicing the movements. That means every springs have to be changed. The damaged parts have to be changed, like the gear parts. If you have screws that are damaged, we change it without extra charges. Also, the polishing is included into the service. So yeah, I think it's nice to just enjoy the watch, and when you're not feeling 100% happy of it, you just bring us the watch and we will take care of it. This is my point of view.